Good morning everyone. Now it is the time for the sum number 5.18. On a Monday morning, the First National Bank has only one teller window open for the deposits and withdrawals. Experience has shown that the average number of arriving the customer in 4-minute interval on the Monday morning is 2.8 and each teller can serve more than that number efficiently. This random arrival at the bank on the Monday morning are Poisson distributed. Question number 1. What is the probability that on the Monday morning exactly 6 customers will arrive in the 4-minute interval? Firstly, we will mention the lambda. Lambda is 2.8. See here in the sum, they have mentioned that 2.8 per 4-minute interval. First question, they have asked you about the exactly 6 customers. So P of x equals to 6, where lambda equals to 2.8. So we know the formula, P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to lambda upon x factorial. 2.8 raised to 6 into e raised to minus 2.8 upon 6 factorial. It is 481.890 into page number 793. Lambda value is e value is 2.8, e raised to 2.8, so value will be 0.0608 upon divide with 720. So the answer is 0.0407. Now second question, what is the probability that no one will arrive at the bank to make a deposit or withdrawal during the 4-minute interval? P of x equals to 0, lambda equals to 2.8. P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. 2.8 raised to 0 into e raised to minus 2.8 upon 0 factorial. Here you know the value of the 2.8 raised to 0 will be 1 upon 0 factorial is also 1. Just we have to check it out, the value of the e raised to 2.8. So e raised to 2.8 value is 0.0608. 0.0608. So the answer is 0.0608. Then C. See the question. Suppose the teller can serve not more than 4 customers in any 4-minute interval at this window on a Monday morning. What is the probability that during any given 4-minute interval the teller will be unable to meet the demand? That is your first question. What is the probability that teller will be able to meet the demand? You are required to find out both. The teller will be unable to meet the demand and teller will be able to meet the demand. When the demand cannot be met during any given interval, a second window will be opened. What are the percentage of the time will the second window have to be opened? This is your question. See, firstly we will work on the first question. They have said that during teller cannot serve more than 4 customers. A window છે એ 4 કરતાં વધારે કસ્ટમરને સર્વિસ નહીં આપી શકે in any given 4-minute interval. So what is the probability that during any given 4-minute interval the teller will be unable to meet the demand? એમણે સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં જ કીધું કે મેક્સિમમ 4 લોકોને સર્વિસ આપી શકશે. સો જો તમારે અનેબલની ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવી હોય પ્રોબેબિલિટી, મતલબ કે 4 કરતાં વધારે જેટલા પણ કસ્ટમર આવશે એ બધાનું ક્લબિંગ કરવાથી તમારો આન્સર મળી જશે. મતલબ કે 4 કસ્ટમર સુધી એ લોકો એ વિન્ડો સર્વિસ આપી શકશે. હવે જો કસ્ટમર 5 થઈ ગયા, 6 થઈ ગયા, 7 થઈ ગયા, જ્યાં સુધી તમારા ટેબલમાં એની વેલ્યુ હશે ત્યાં સુધીની બધી વેલ્યુને ક્લબ કરી અને જે આન્સર આવશે આપણા માટે આન્સર થશે. right? So first of all, let's write down unable to meet the demand. It means if x is greater than 4, મેક્સિમમ 4 લોકોને સર્વિસ આપી શકશે. જો 4 કરતાં વધારે થઈ ગયા during the 4 minute interval, it means you are unable to give the service. So here we will make a table. X is there and probabilities are there. मतलब કે 5 થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું, એની પ્રોબેબિલિટીઝ નોટ ડાઉન કરતા જશું. ટેબલમાં જ્યાં સુધીની એક્સની વેલ્યુઝ આપી હશે એ બધી અહીંયા આપણે લખતા જશું અને ફાઇનલી જે આન્સર આવશે આપણા માટે ફાઇનલ આન્સર થશે. So this is your table, page number 788. Lambda is 2.8. We have to club the values from the 5. 5 થી લઈને બધી વેલ્યુ ક્લબ કરશું. So here they have given the values for the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? એ બધી વેલ્યુ એડ કરતા જશું. 0.0872, 0.0407, 0.0163, 0.0057, 0.0018, 0.0005, 0.0001 and 000. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 સુધીની વેલ્યુઝ અહીં આપી છે ટેબલમાં. So for the 5 it is 0.0872, 0.0407, 0.0163, 0.0057, 0.0018, 0.0005, 0.0001 and 0.0000. If you are making a total, it will be 0.1523. It means answer will be 0.1523. Probability of being unable to meet the demand. 15% જેવી પ્રોબેબિલિટી છે કે તમે ડિમાન્ડને સેટિસ્ફાઈડ નહીં કરી શકો. યુ આર being unable to meet the demand. Then further એમણે પૂછેલું કે ભાઈ what is the probability that the tailor will be able to meet the demand. If unable ની probability 0.1523 ની હોય તો able કે જ્યારે ડિમાન્ડ સેટિસ્ફાઈ કરી શકે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડેફિનેટલી કેટલી થાય? 1 - 0.1523, 0.8477. આ ચાન્સીસ છે કે ત્યારે એ લોકો ડિમાન્ડને સેટિસ્ફાઈ કરી શકશે. હજી એક ક્વેશ્ચન આમાં છે, when the demand cannot be met during the any given interval, the second window is open. What are the percentage of the time will the second window have to be open? બીજી વિન્ડો ક્યારે ઓપન કરવી પડે? જ્યારે એ લોકો ડિમાન્ડને સેટિસ્ફાઈ ના કરી શકતા હોય, જે લોકો અનેબલ હોય. તો અનેબલની પ્રોબેબિલિટી આપણી પાસે છે. So that is your answer. 15.23% is the probability when they have to open the second window. That's it. Now option D. What is the probability that exactly 3 people will arrive at the bank during a 2-minute period on the Monday morning to make the deposit or withdrawal? Give the concentration over here. They have mentioned the 2-minute period. In the initial manner, they have identified it as a 4-minute interval. So at that time, lambda was 2.8. So definitely, if the time period is decreased half, 2 minutes period, then you have to make the change in the lambda also. And further, they are asking what is the probability that 5 or more customer will arrive during the 8-minute interval. See, here the time period is doubling. So again, lambda will be changed. See. So herein they are asking exactly 3 customer will arrive. Lambda will be changed, right? Initial lambda was 2.8. So here time period was 4 minutes, but here time period is 2 minutes. So lambda also will be half. So that is 1.4. So that is P of x equals to 3, lambda will be 1.4, right? That we will make the calculation. So p of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. Now lambda is 1.4 raised to 3 into e raised to minus 1.4 upon 3 factorial, right? So from the table you will go for checking out the value for the 1.4, not the 2.8. So see, it is on the page number 788. Your lambda is 1.4, x is 3. So the value will be 0.1128. Or if we are going through the formula, the lambda's e value will be 1.4, so 0.2466, that you will put it out over here as 0.2466, and again same answer you will get, that is 0.1128. In the same question further they are asking what is the probability that 5 or more customer will arrive during the 8-minute interval. 5 or more customer, but this time lambda will be double. Initial lambda was 2.8, but this time lambda will be double, so it will be 5.6. 2.8 into 2, that is 5.6 per 8-minute interval. So this is your table on the page number 790. Your lambda is 5.6. You have to club the values from 5. So that is 0.1697, 0.1584, 1267, all the values till last, right? So the answer will be 0.6579. Clubbing out all the values from 5 to last 17.